Hello, I'm Sarah from Cymru. I'm a home energy officer, and you may come to us for help with keeping your home warm. You may refer yourself or a family member or friend or even a professional. So the first thing I would do is give you a call, find out exactly what help you need and arrange a convenient time and date for me to come and visit you. So when I visit you in your home, first of all we'll sit down, have a chat, recap on exactly what help you need. So then you and I will walk around your home and have a look at your heating, see if there's any problems there, any repairs needed to be carried out, or any trip hazards, because we can install grab rails free of charge, which is funded by Welsh Government. I will also look at signs of any damp, condensation or mould to see if we can find a remedy for that. So once we've had a walk around, we can sit back down, discuss your options for us moving forward for me to help you. I can arrange quotations for work which you can self-fund, or if there's a financial need, I will carry out a financial assessment and then investigate options for funding. I will also look to see if you are missing out on any benefits to maximise your income and hopefully be able to afford your bills better. And if you want me to, I can look at your gas and electricity bill to see if there's any savings that can be made. At the end of the visit, we will agree the way forward, and then I will keep you up to date on my progress. Hope we can help you.